but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is with a company that I have worked with, but I haven't worked with them in a long time. So I'm so excited to have them back here on the channel. The company is Celie Hair, and today I'll be showing you a curly bob. All right, you guys, before we get started, do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss out. So like I said, today is featuring Celie Hair. This is the box that the hair comes in. Your hair is also going to come in a bag like this, and you're going to get an elastic band that will help you to secure your wig. So the unit that I have today is an 18-inch 13 by 4 lace front wig. It is 180 density, and it is a kinky curly unit. Then you're also going to get a bag. So this duster is great to store your wig in as well. Inside the duster bag, you're going to get a set of stocking caps. You're going to get information about Celie Hair and where to find them online. You're also going to get a pretty teal bonnet, that's cute, and a set of eyelashes. So the unit that I have today is this kinky curly unit. I did already wash the unit. I did air dry the unit. I have cut off the lace. I added my lace tint spray on the inside and my foundation powder. And I also added some powder to the parting space. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this wig on. If you like the unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on my channel for this one. And yes, so you can definitely click back and check that out. I'll also leave a link up here so you can go ahead and click there as well. But make sure you finish watching this video first. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and did the other side. I also added some of my mousse from Paishu, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I added some of my mousse to the top, and I added these clips to just kind of hold the top down so I can get a nice flat surface at the top. I trimmed the ends just a little bit and gave it a little bit more face framing layers. So let's go ahead and take these out. I don't want them to leave a dent, so I don't want them to stay in for too long, but I did want them to just sort of hold the top down. So I am super happy with this wig, you guys. This is a kinky curly wig, so of course it's going to take some love and tender care to get this wig to the way that you want it. The best thing to use is a good leave-in conditioner. The one that I used is also from Paishu. This one is Something to Believe In. It's going to help you to detangle the hair, and it's also going to help the hair to curl and hold its curl pattern, but not in a crunchy way. So then you're also going to want to have a water bottle handy. I would suggest using the water first, then using the Something to Believe In, or whichever leave-in conditioner you decide to use. Use those together and use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush and let your hair air dry and you'll be good to go. I would say add moisture to the wig every day, if not every day, at least every 2 days, so that your wig does not get dry, hard to manage, and then it will start to break. So I hope this was helpful. If you guys have more questions about this unit or about how to maintain kinky curly hair and to get it looking beautiful, then definitely leave your questions down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you once again, Celie Hair, for sending over this unit. I will leave a link to this wig in the information box down below so you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to subscribe and I want you to share this video. Share this video with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama, okay? Share this video with your mother. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.